Do you think a few drops of WD-40 and a bit of instant coffee can create a waterproof coating right in your garage? If you enjoy trying smart fixes at home, this one will surprise you. With a few simple materials you already have, you can make a tough coating that keeps water out and adds color to wood or cardboard. Let me show you how it works. To start, grab a small plastic cup and pour in a bit of PU thinner. You don't need much. Now take the foam you cut earlier and drop the pieces into the thinner. You'll see them melt almost right away. This gives you a thick base that mixes easily. Tell me what part of the country you're watching from. I read every comment. Once the foam has broken down, spray a good amount of WD-40 into the cup. The WD-40 helps the mixture spread smoothly and adds a water-resistant finish. Use a stick to stir everything until it turns into a creamy, even blend. When the texture looks smooth, pour the mixture into 2 separate cups so you can test 2 different versions later. This simple mix gives you a strong coating you can use on wood or cardboard made from everyday items you already have in your workshop. Now take the first cup and add a small amount of red paint. Stir it until the color spreads evenly through the mix. This gives you a tinted coating so you can see the difference clearly when you test it. Next, prepare your test surfaces. Grab a piece of cardboard and a small piece of wood. Use a marker to draw a straight line down the middle of each one. You'll coat only one half so you can compare how the treated side reacts to water later. This makes it easy to see how well the mixture works in real conditions around your home. Now, brush the mixture onto the marked half of the cardboard and the wood. Spread it in a thin, even layer so it bonds well with the surface. After that, set both pieces aside and let them sit for about 30 minutes. This gives the coating enough time to settle and react with the material. When it dries, you'll be ready to test how well it holds up against water. After the coating has had time to settle, take the cardboard and the wood and bring them over to a sink or a spray bottle. Now spray water directly onto both surfaces. Watch the treated half closely. You'll see the water bead up and roll off instead of soaking in. The texture stays dry and firm, just like a waterproof layer should work. Then, look at the untreated half. The water absorbs fast and darkens the material right away. This simple test shows you exactly how well the mixture protects wood and cardboard. It gives you a clear before and after result you can see with your own eyes. Now take the second cup of the mixture you set aside earlier. Cut open 2 packets of instant coffee and pour them in. Use your homemade mixer made from a wooden stick and a few zip ties or just a spoon if that's easier. Stir until the coffee blends fully and the color turns rich and even. This gives the mixture a darker shade and a slightly thicker feel, which helps it bond well when you brush it onto wood. Take an empty plastic cola bottle and remove the cap. Use a step drill bit to make a clean hole right in the center of the cap. Now, cut a small square of soft foam about the size of the bottle cap. This foam will act like a filter and applicator. Place the foam over the hole and secure it tightly with hot glue. Make sure the foam sits flat so it doesn't shift when you press it against a surface. When the cap is ready, pour the coffee mix solution from cup 2 into the bottle. Fill it about halfway to leave room for shaking. Screw the cap back on and shake the bottle well. Now you've got a simple handheld applicator that lets you spread the mixture evenly and without a mess. Now, take your wooden piece and mark a line down the middle so you can compare the results later. Press the foam-tipped bottle gently against one half and spread the coffee mixture in a smooth, even coat. Make sure the surface is fully covered. Set the wood aside and let it sit for about 2 hours so the coating can settle and harden properly. And that's it. Both mixtures gave solid color and strong water resistance, and they're easy to make with items you already have at home. If you enjoy projects that turn simple materials into something useful, you'll want to stick around. Hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next idea.